Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. Today we are starting a new series. Yay! And I would like to welcome each and every one of you to my channel. All my subscriber friends, I love each and every one of you, and I have a special edition of a 5 days, Advent calendar series. Yes, I had one Advent calendar that didn't make it in time. It was the very first one I ordered back in October, and it was the very last one to show up. And many of our other channel friends had the same problem with their Look Fantastic box for the 25 days of Christmas. It's the beauty story, it says, and I'm going to show you the box here in a minute. And I know you've probably seen it a lot and around, but again, I want to welcome everybody to my channel. If you're new, I want to ask you to consider subscribing, hit that notification bell so you'll know if you are a winner or not whenever I have my winning announcements of this series. Now, a little bit about this series. This series will last for 5 days. Now, it is 5 days of Christmas, so we'll open 5 doors per day up to Christmas, and that is my plan. Last year, you may have recalled that I did the 5 days of Glossy Box Christmas. Well, my Glossy Box came in time, so there was no need to have it for this. I threw it into the Advent Calendar series that all of you enjoyed so well, and it ended up being box number 13. But today we're going to do the Look Fantastic, and I also have another announcement, but this is what the Look Fantastic box looks like. It's 25 days of beauty, I believe. And if you'll recall last year on the Glossy Box Christmas, I shared my Christmas with you. And that's what I'm going to do this year. I'm going to share my Christmas. But I'm going to also have another box that I'm going to be doing. And it is Profusion 25 Days to Slay. I won this. Oh yeah. Again, I won, so can you. So this will be combined with this series, and we will open up 5 days, and I will share out of both. And you will have opportunity to win, and I'll give you all the rules at the end of this video. So stay tuned for that. I will tell you, because Arlene is connected to this of a I won, so can you. You will need to be subscribed to Unboxing with Arlene during this particular series, because I didn't even know I won this. And you know what? I'm going to make it a duel. In order to win, you must be subscribed with Unboxing with Arlene and 700 Mile Mom. You know why? Well, this is how I won this. They had a live, and Melissa of 700 Mile Mom was giving away 5 prizes herself, I believe. That's the way I understand it. And I won it from Arlene's unboxing during her 500 subscriber giveaway. She had a spectacular giveaway. And then Melissa wanted to be a part of it, and she wanted to give out too. So this actually came from both of them. So in this series, I'm going to tell you up front, you will need to be subscribed to with Unboxing with Arlene and 700 Mile Mom, as well as Miss Jackie Russell. Now, I hope that's not too confusing, and I hope we can get through this. It's going to be 5 days, so let's get started. Now, let's go back to the Look Fantastic. I want to start with it. It is the beauty story, and it is a beautiful box. I love this box. And it's just kind of, I guess, got some of the same design on the back. It's Look Fantastic. It came out of England, and that's one reason there was a delay. I think they had shipping issues, because it's set at the Liverpool airport for 5 weeks at least, according to my information. Now it's tied up with a little bow here, and I'm going to undo that. So I undid the bow, and then here's our drawers. And I'm going to have to set this up here because it's way too big for me to hold up for you guys. But we're going to go through the first 5 days today. And then in the Profusion 25 Days to Slay, this is what it looks like on the inside. And we are going to open up doors 1 through 5. So, you know what? I think I'll go ahead and start with this one. We got one over here. This is a little easier to maneuver over here. Let's find out what's on day number 1. Oh, okay. We have a pair of tweezers in day number 1. So that is a beauty tool that we can all use. Going on to day number 2, I may need my tweezers to pull it out of here. Let's see what we have. In day number 2, we have Profusion Eyebrow Gel. Look at that. And it says it is Profusion Eye Gel. So very nice. And now let's go on to day number 3. They all seem to be right close together. Matter of fact, if you want to see, they're right in order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're just going to open up number 5 today. And in number 3, we have us, and again, I'm going to use this handy dandy tweezers to get this out of here. We have a dual-ended eyebrow pencil. So you've got 2 different colors, a lighter and a darker. And then now going on to day 4 in the Profusion, we have a Profusion Onyx, and this is a long-lasting liquid eyeliner. Ooh, that sounds nice. And you can see everything in this box is going to be by Profusion Cosmetics. And then door number 5, in this one, we have us, should it be a lip liner? Let's see. We have us a Profusion waterproof eyeliner pencil. So this is an eyeliner pencil, and this here is a liquid eyeliner. So we have one of each. So if you prefer to use a regular liner, then we have this one. And if you prefer a liquid, or there's just different occasions that you would want the liquid, then you have this fine tip liquid, which looks very nice. So those are very nice. Thank you, Melissa and Arlene. And we will go to the next days on another day, on day 2 of our series. Now let's move along to the 5 days of Look Fantastic Christmas. Let's find door number 1. Door number 1 is a big door, and I'm going to have to slide this over here so I can get to it. Box number 1 is right here, and it looks like it's wrapped up. Not sure. Maybe that paper's on there just to protect it. Inside here, we have some smell good sticks. Well, they'll smell good once we use it. But on the inside, we have us a diffuser, and I'm going to leave it intact right now. I can smell that it smells good, and it's by Rituals. And hey, guess what? Look Fantastic sent me a product catalog. So yay! Yay for Look Fantastic. I love it when they send a product card, don't you? Now we can find out more about this. This is door number 1, and it is day 1, and it is a Rituals, which I just told you. Looks like this, and that's what it'll look like when it's all put together. And it says, set the scent of the festive season with our very first diffuser inclusion in our Beauty Story Advent. Invite the gentle aroma of almond oil and Indian rose into your home this festive season with the Rituals of Ayurveda fragrance sticks. And it's a 70 ml from Rituals, being cruelty-free and made with 97% natural virgin ingredients. They are the perfect way to style your home whilst helping it to balance the body, mind, and soul. And that is day number 1. So now let's go on to day number 2. It's up here on top, and it looks like this. Day number 2, and it's itty bitty. And this must be a sample size, because I've seen some drunk elephant before, and it was a larger size than this. This is a polypeptide cream, and it is new to the Look Fantastic for 2022. We're including this best-selling polypeptide cream from Drunk Elephant, combining pygmy water lily stem, cell abstract, amino acid, and soybean folic acid. Amazing ingredient, will help to hydrate and fortify your lackluster skin. So that sounds good. And I'm not going to open it. I'm going to leave it in its little bitty package here. On day number 3, let's see what they have for us in this nice little box. Wrapped in red, just like the rest of it. And this time we have an iconic. And this is a triple threat mascara. Woohoo! Let's find out about it. On day 3, we have this, and you want to open it up. Looks like it is probably a black mascara. Yep, black mascara. And this is the packaging in case you want to see it. It's very pretty. It's all nice and shiny. We're giving you a full-size product that is the best seller from the brand with good reason. Achieve an impressive, fluttering look with this iconic London triple threat mascara. Black, a rich formula ready to deliver the ultimate volume length, ideal for anyone who is tired of maintaining false lashes. The mascara boasts the ultra dark black pigment that lasts as long as you need it to. This is definitely an essential for your makeup for this festive season. So, very nice. And that was our iconic mascara. Very, very nice. So far I think they're doing pretty good. And that was day number 3. Now we're going on to day number 4. And day number 4 is over here, and it's in this box. And I can smell something. Smells kind of nice. Inside here we have looks like a demi candle. And this is a small, decorative demi candle. Let me get it open here. It's got it closed up with paper. So I'm going to have to tear that just a little bit so I can get to it. And this is a silhouette bust of a feminine mini or Ellie mini. And it does smell very nice. And this is a demi candle, is an independent and up-and-coming brand with huge potential. We want you to celebrate all shapes and sizes with our body positive demi candles. Feminine mini or Ellie mini. And I'm not sure what I got. I think I got feminine mini. But I don't know which one it is. Whichever one it is fine with me. Excitingly, you may receive a different body shape, hand-poured candle from your friends. Almost too cute to burn, but once you do, run a bath and be prepared for intense relaxation with this lush cocoa oud aroma. And that's what I was smelling, and it smells very good. Okay. Now we're going on to day 5, and let's find out what we have in day 5. And this is the last day for today's series of the 5 days of Look Fantastic. And inside here, look how big this box is. And inside this big box, what they have in here is one little thing, and it is a warming mask. So all of that for a big old warming mask. Seems like a waste of space, doesn't it? So in this one, we have the Beauty Pro warming mask. And let's find out about this. This is day number 5, and it is the Beauty Pro. Too many Baileys at the weekend. We've got you sorted with a new product for 2022. From Beauty Pro, it's time to recover after your festive weekend of parties with the Beauty Pro Warming Eye Mask. But it's not your standard eye mask. This warming eye mask is infused with chamomile and gently heats up to help soothe those tired eyes. And it has a tip, perfect to enjoy with a relaxing bath for the Monday treat. So very, very nice. And that looks very, very nice, and it covers up your full eye. So that is our first 5 days. What do you think? Hey guys, I think the first 5 days was pretty good. And now we get to the giveaway part. What do you have to do? Well, you have to be 18 years or older. You do have to have an address within the continental USA. You must be publicly subscribed, as I mentioned, to Unboxing with Arlene, 700 Mile Mom, and Miss Jackie Russell during this series. There will be a total of 5 videos and a total of 5 giveaways. YouTube and our Look Fantastic, Profusion Beauty Cosmetic, or any of the brands mentioned are not in any way, shape, or form affiliated with this giveaway. I am doing this of my own free will, and I am going to be giving away a few of these products that we just seen. And what will be in this giveaway? Well, I can tell you right away, I'm going to give you the Drunk Elephant eye cream. I am going to have in this eyebrow gel, and you're going to receive the eyebrow pencil that's dual-ended, and there were 10 items, and I'm going to give one more, and I think the next one that I'm going to give you the warming eye mask, and I'm going to add a mask to this, so you'll have a regular mask and an eye warming mask in your little package, along with the eyebrow pencil and gel, and you will get one of the eyeliners. I'm going to go with one of these liners, so you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. Half of what I just received I'm going to share with one of you. What do you have to do? Well, on this particular code, I would like for you to use the word Merry. Merry, like Merry Christmas. M-E-R-R-Y. Use the word Merry in this particular video, and you will be entered into this giveaway. Now, if you are allergic or have any allergic reactions to any of the items that I send, and you're not sure if you have sensitive skin, be sure to test a small area. I'm not responsible for allergic reactions, and I'm not responsible if there's any loss or damage. So once the package leaves my hands, I cannot be held responsible for it. But that is what is in day 1 of 5 days of Look Fantastic Christmas. And these items will be coming to you if you are chosen the winner. Now, how long is this going to last? Because we are in the holidays, and because I want to get past the holidays as far as shipping and everything goes, and to give plenty of time for entrance, this giveaway will end on January 14th, and the winners will be announced on January 15th, 2023. So mark that down. The winners will be announced on January 15th. Of the whole 5-day series, it will last until January 14th. So you have plenty of time, and you can share this out and share the love, and others maybe have an opportunity to win as well. As for today, that's all I have. Be sure and check my descriptions for any other collaborations that are going on, and as I get this series started, I will start a playlist, and you will be able to just play from one to the next if you are catching up. So I want to welcome you all again. I want to thank you all for being here, and as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye bye.